Yamaha is swapping out the R6 with the R9 for a big motorcycle race called the SSP Championship. This change is because of stricter rules about emissions and what people prefer in competitions. The R9 will be built on the same basic design as the MT-09. It will have a powerful engine called the CP3 inline-triple, a new look, and a more aggressive riding position. We expect to see the Yamaha R9 revealed in 2024. It will come in two types, Standard and SP. The SP version might even have winglets added to it.
Hey there motorcycle enthusiasts, today we've got some exciting news about Yamaha's latest masterpiece, the Yamaha YZF-R9. But before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to bid farewell to a legend, the Yamaha YZF-R1. Yamaha UK made it official in a recent statement saying they won't be making a new version that meets certain European regulations. Instead, they're focusing on other plans for their business and products. This superbike has left an incredible mark on motorcycle world with its agile handling, insane performance, and stunning design. Rest in peace, R1. You'll always be remembered. I recently made a video on this, so be sure to check it out as well. But fear not, fellow riders, because Yamaha isn't done yet. While the R1 might be saying goodbye, there's a new hero in town, the Yamaha R9, set to be unveiled in late 2024. The R9 is already causing quite a stir in the motorcycling community. Here's what we know and what to expect.
Replacement for the R6. Kevin Boss, team manager at Yamaha 10K Racing, spilled the beans that the R6 will be replaced by the R9 in the SSP Championship in 2025. Why? Well, stricter emission regulations and changing preferences in the racing world have pushed Yamaha in this direction. Based on the MT-09, just like its predecessors, the R9 will be based on Yamaha's MT-09 platform. Expect some tweaks and upgrades to make it even more track-ready. Powerful engine. The R9 will feature Yamaha's signature CP3 inline-triple engine, delivering a punchy 117 horsepower. Unlike the R6, this engine offers a meatier mid-range and meets Euro 5+ emission standards. Fresh design and aggressive riding position. Get ready for a fully fared mean machine with clip-on handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, and an aggressive riding triangle. The R9 is designed to dominate the track. Two variants. The R9 will come in two options, Standard and SP. The SP variant will boast premium features like adjustable suspension and Brembo-style calipers, along with sleek winglets. Expected launch. While we're eagerly awaiting its arrival, Yamaha has kept us on our toes. Rumor has it that we might see the R9 at EICMA 2024, but nothing's set in stone yet.
World Superbike is where the bikes we ride on the streets like the R1 originally came from. Sometimes people confuse it with MotoGP, but they're different. The R1 and similar bikes race in World Superbike or Supersport World Championships. Recently, they changed the rules to allow bigger engines like Ducati's V2, which won with its 959 Panigale. This move makes it tough for bikes like the Yamaha R6 to compete, So Yamaha is making a change. They're planning to outfit the MT-09 with fairings to create the Yamaha R9. And if racing rules stay the same, they'll have to sell it to the public, meaning we could get our hands on it too. That's the whole point of these racing bikes, to make them available for us to buy. I'm pretty hyped about it. The 2021 MT-09 now boasts an increased engine displacement of 888cc up from 845cc with updated electronic controls to match. It introduces an attitude angle sensor for improved traction and brake control. Utilizing CF aluminum die casting technology, the frame of MT-09 achieves a minimum wall thickness of 1.7 millimeter, reducing weight by 2.7 kilograms while enhancing rigidity. The wheel's rim section was redesigned to decrease weight by 700 grams at the front and rear, resulting in more agile handling due to an 11% reduction in rotating parts' moment of inertia. The 2024 model of the YZF-R9 not only meets emission regulations and offers added convenience with electronic equipment, but also includes a vertical Brembo master cylinder and a third generation quick shifter. Expect unique super sports specific features in this model. I believe the R9 has a lot of cool stuff and new tech. I'm going to be one of the first to pre-order it. So if you have an R6, I would hold on to it. Since the R9 is coming, R6 prices are going up, and it might be the same for people with the R1. It's all about supply and demand, so if you want one, you better hurry to get a good deal. The Yamaha R9 is on its way to redefine the world of sport bikes. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates because this one's going to be a game changer. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.